Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jacqueline, and for today's video I'm going to be filming a updated makeup collection video. If you guys haven't watched my old makeup video, you guys should definitely check that out. I'll have it in a card up here, and I'll also have it linked in my description box so you guys can see the difference. I definitely feel like I've minimized my collection. I just feel like I don't need as many products as a lot of people usually have. I'm just very proud of the small collection I have going. I'm always looking for new products, but I always purchase products whenever I'm out of something. And if you guys have any recommendations of any products I should try out next, make sure to leave those down in the comments. I always enjoy reading your comments, so yeah, leave them down below. And I'll have all of the products I mentioned in today's video linked down below for you guys as well, so you guys can check them out if you're interested in purchasing anything. But with all of that said, let's get started with this video. Okay guys, so really quickly I just want to show you guys where I do my makeup. So here I just have this gold circle mirror that I got from Target that I really love. It just fits the space so perfectly. And then usually I bring my desk chair and just sit here to do my makeup. It's like the perfect height and everything. So yeah, this is usually where I do my makeup. Sometimes I switch it up and do it in the bathroom. Sometimes I do it at my floor length mirror. Sometimes I do it at my desk. It just depends on my mood, but majority of the time I just do it here. So this is just a quick little overview of where I do my makeup. But yeah guys, let's just get started with the collection. And as you guys can see, this is my little organizer. I got this from HomeGoods. It was $15 and Amazon sells a very similar one. So I'll have that link down below. The only thing is that it's like a $2 to $3 difference, but I'll still link it down below if you guys are interested. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my makeup brushes back here, and I have this Real Technique sponge. It's just in this pink sparkly color, and I like this way better than the orange one. And then for the rest of my brushes, majority of them are from Real Techniques as well. I just got this very big pack of them. So I have this one. This is my face brush. So I use that for my face powder. Then I have this other one for my blush. As you guys can see, it has a little bit of pink on there, but it just looks like this. I have this one that I have yet to use. So I have that one. I have this one for my highlighter. So it's very dusty and glittery up there. Then I also have a few eyeshadow brushes that I hardly use, but I still have. And I have this one from e.l.f. I have another Real Techniques brush from this orange collection that I got like 2 years ago from my roommate for Christmas. And then yeah, I have these. I also have this Wet n Wild brush that's only $1 I think at Walmart, and it does a really good job at blending my eyeshadow. And then I also have this other little brush with a spoolie and a angled little brush on the other side for my eyebrows. So this is my eyebrow brush. And then I have this little tiny little concealer brush for my eyebrows. And for my last brush, I have this little blush one. So moving on to this section, I have some little hair clips that I use whenever I'm doing a full glam and want to move my hair out of my face. So I just have these from H&M. Then I have my only makeup palette. I do have a few older ones. They're like over 4 years, so they're like very, very expired, but I just keep them for memory's sake because they were like my first high-end makeup palette. So I just have those stored away somewhere else. But this is the only eyeshadow palette that is not expired and that I use like every single week. I just love the colors, and it's from Fenty Beauty. It's so cute, it's so aesthetic. Here are the shade colors if anyone is interested. Oh wait, like this. And then I have this Kylie blush. I got this as a Christmas gift last Christmas, and oh, let me try to open this. Let me see. But this is how the blush looks, and I didn't know what I was expecting when you know, I got this, but this is very pigmented and it's such a beautiful color. I definitely recommend. I usually go for these like really pinky colors when it comes to blush. The color on this is Betty on the Block, and that's actually really funny. I didn't know that, but yeah, it just looks like this. It's in the color pink, so cute. Love that. And for my face powder, I have this Fenty Beauty little powder, and I got this in the miniature size because I wanted to try it out, and I really like it. The smell of this is so delicious. This is in the color Cashew. You guys can't see it, but I'll put it on the screen. And yeah, this is so beautiful. I love the little container. Fenty has like the cutest packaging ever. I love it. But yeah, it looks like this in the color Cashew, like I mentioned. It's right there. And yeah, it looks like that. So I use this to set my face. Then here I also have this little Anastasia by Beverly Hills little powder for my eyebrows. And this is like my second or third one. I get this like all the time. I started buying this when I was like 15, I think. So it's been like 7 years of using this little product for my eyebrows. Love it. It's so cute. It's just in the color Ebony, I believe. Yeah, Ebony. So yeah, it looks like that, and I use that. That's my go-to brow product. Then on the side, I have this little contouring palette from Wet n Wild. I've been using this for the past 5 years as well, and I get it all the time whenever I run out. I'm definitely looking for a new bronzer. I definitely want to change out from this. I want something nicer. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know down below. I kind of want to try out the Fenty one, but I just haven't had the chance to go to Sephora and check them out. But if you guys have any recommendations for a bronzer, let me know. Now we're going to move to this section, and here I just have some lip products, some little palettes, and some concealers, and other little random things that fit perfectly in here. So everything is basically not in any sort of order, as you guys can tell. Everything is basically like in random piles or like sections, and that is just because this is how it works out the best. I tried to like section off things, but it just wasn't working, so this just works perfectly, and everything fits in here, which is the most important part. So yeah, I'm not complaining at all. But I'm going to be starting off with concealers. Okay guys, so the first concealer I'm going to be talking about is this one. It's by ColourPop. It's the Pretty Fresh Concealer. Love it. It's so creamy and it applies so nicely to your face. Like, I definitely recommend, if I recommend anything from this collection, I think it's this concealer. It is so affordable as well. You guys can find it at Ulta, or you guys can order it online. My color is medium dark. I definitely need to go back to Ulta and get a lighter shade for the winter time. I'm losing my tan, so this is a little too dark for me, but I still love it a lot. It's so good, and I really love the applicator on this. It's just this huge applicator, and it looks like that. Okay, and then I also have this Fenty Beauty concealer. I really like this. I really like the applicator. It's identical to the ColourPop one, and the formula on this is a little more on the dry side, so I definitely recommend the ColourPop one. It's easier to work with and it doesn't dry as fast. So yeah, and I got this in the shade 290 if anyone is wondering. Okay guys, so the next products I have here are from Glossier. I ordered this cloud paint last year when one of you guys recommended it to me, and I absolutely love it so much. I got this cloud paint in the color Beam. As you guys can see, I love the packaging of these. They're so cute. The color looks like that. It's definitely very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. And I usually use my fingers to blend it out, or my little makeup sponge. And then I also have this boy brow, and I'm in need of a new one. I got this for Christmas last year from one of my roommates. This is in the color brown. I'm definitely going to be ordering a new one very soon, and I'm going to be trying out their lip products. So yeah, I'm probably going to buy myself a little Christmas gift very soon from Glossier. So yeah, I have those two products. And then I have these two little palettes here. I have this Tarte one with this blush in the color First Class. It's very pigmented as well, and it looks just like the other two that I have, but you know, this is by Tarte, and yeah, it just looks like that, and it's in the mini size, so it fits perfectly in this container. Then I also have this Fenty Beauty highlighter that I've had for the past year. I definitely need a new one. I said that last time, but it's literally almost out. Like, I'm using this all the way down, so I just go in like on the edge and get product. But yeah, it looks like that. It has a little mirror. Hi guys. But yeah, it's so cute, and this is in the color Hustla Baby. And then for lip products, I have this Anastasia liquid lipstick in the color Hudson. It's in this very beautiful nude color. I love nude lipsticks, and this is like the only one I have now. It's like my favorite one. It looks like that, and I usually use this, and then I top it off with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and this is it. She is very beat up because I use her all the time, and this is in the color Fenty Glow. It's like the original Fenty lip gloss, but as you guys can see, it's very beat up. I use this all the time, and it's my favorite shade ever. It's beautiful. I love the lip applicator on this. It's so big, and yeah, this is like, you find me wearing this all the time, so yeah. And then for my birthday, I got this lip gloss. This is in the color Glass Slipper, and I'm obsessed. The color, I mean, it's clear, but it's beautiful. It looks so nice on the lips. It makes them so nice and glossy. So I have this one, and I've used this like 2 times. So it's brand new, and I love it. And for the last product, I have this Stila eye glitter that my roommate got me for my birthday last year, I believe, and it's in this beautiful gold color. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Look at that. Okay, so then for this back section, I have my setting spray. I got this one recently for my birthday as well. I got this, and this is from Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. I really want to try out a lot of her products, but first I need to finish all of the ones I have here before I buy new ones. I definitely want to try out her blush. I think it looks so beautiful on the skin, but yeah, I was in need of a new setting spray, so I decided to try this one out. Obsessed with it. You definitely need to shake it before you put it on though. But yeah, it looks like that. So pretty. Okay, and then here I have this little lip product that my roommate got me. My old roommate got me last year for my birthday, and I usually apply this underneath my lipstick and my lip gloss just to plump up my lips, and I love the tingly feeling that it gives. So it's just in this little pink color. So yeah, I have that. Then I have my eyebrow gel. This is by e.l.f. It's literally $2, and it does the job, and I get this like every 2 months. Then I have my 3 mascaras, and all of these are from L'Oreal. L'Oreal literally has the best mascaras. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I love L'Oreal mascaras. I absolutely love the telescopic one. It's my all-time favorite. I've been wearing that one for like 5 years now. So yeah, I definitely recommend, and it's this one in the back. Then I also have this voluminous one, and I also have this Lash Paradise one in this pink bottle. And this is a dupe for the Better Than Sex mascara, and I absolutely think this one is 100 times better. So, and then I also have my eyelash curler from Tweezerman. And then back here I have my foundation, and it's just this Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, and I hardly ever use foundation, only on special occasions, which is hardly ever, so I never find myself using this as often, but whenever I do, I definitely do use this, and I really love the formula of this. It's very easy to work with, and this is in the color Sand Beige, if anyone is wondering. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below any makeup recommendations you guys have. I definitely want to try out some new products very soon, so leave those down below in the comments, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye guys!